Welcome to the Pets Rule Show. I'm your host, Mr. Animal Lover, and this week the topic is mental health. We had a great week this week. We talked about mental health, how it affects millions and millions of Americans and throughout the United States. Um, and we're talking about how pets can make a difference in the lives of individuals, especially if you're a pet lover or you suffer from any type of mental health. Usually, they say that having a pet can reduce your depression, can reduce high blood pressure, can reduce anxiety. So the studies there, and the study says that owning a pet can help you in the long term. Yesterday, we talked about how students, first time college students, and those in their second, third, fourth year can benefit from having a pet. Today, we're going to talk about senior citizens. Yes, we all get old, and one day you're going to get old, one day I'm going to get older. Huh? And studies show that senior citizens can benefit from owning a pet. And myself, as Mr. Animal Lover, I've always been around pets. And let me tell you, I can testify that, yes, my pets have helped me in every way possible. I come home, my pet's waiting for me by the door. I need someone to cuddle up to. My pet is there for me to uh, cuddle up to and talk to and love, and it will show me unconditional love right back. So today, I'm going to provide you with some resources, especially if you're senior citizens. Today's show is tailored to senior citizens. And I love senior citizens. You know why? Because they have a lot of wisdom. And the older we get, the more we learn, especially about pets and about life and how much love we can receive from pets. So today I'm going to provide you with a couple of resources. I'm going to show you the latest applications. It can be mobile app. And I'm going to provide you with some research showing and studies showing that pets can help sharpen the mind of a senior citizens and keep their mind in shape, especially with everything going on with Alzheimer's disease and losing our mind as we get older and losing a step. Well, my solution to you is, as you're getting older, you're retiring. Listen, there's a lot of pets that need to be adopted and need love. And we know as we get older, we are senior citizens. Sometimes we lose contact with friends, we lose contacts with family, we lose contacts with our children. And who do we have left? Our pet, whether it's a dog, a cat, a reptile, a rabbit, a hamster, a guinea pig, a snake, a turtle, a bird, a fish. Listen, studies show as senior citizens, they can keep us mentally in shape, physically in shape. And I'm going to prove that today. So let's get started. So I want to get started with a little research I did. And it says here, elderly people in many respects benefit from interactions with dogs. Okay. Humans have longed for love and attention since the dawn of their existence. As socially active and socially minded beings, humans need contact, be it with only one person or with a group. If they do not manage to establish these contacts, negative consequences may arise that will ultimately push them to the brink of extinction. And also, older adults owning a pet were more likely to engage in physical activity than non-dog or non-pet owners. This was investigated and it was found out that dog owners engage in greater overall physical activity. I will agree. Listen, if you're a senior citizen, odds are you have less contact with people because you're set in your own ways. If you unless you're in some old folks' home where they have activities, bingo or daily activities, most likely you're by yourself and you're lonely. So studies show, as I'm going to keep reading, that having that pet there, especially, they say a dog, it can be a cat, depends where you are in your life. If you have an apartment, you have a house, depends what kind of animal lover you've been throughout your life. Because if you've owned a dog all your life, obviously the dog is the one that's going to be your pet. If you own the cat all your life, the cat's going to be your pet. But it's okay to experiment also, having a hamster, having a pet that's less requires less of your time. There's nothing wrong with that either, but let's keep reading. To some people, a pet is just an animal. However, to a pet lover, I love this, a pet is a friend, true partner, and a loyal companion. All too frequently, the companionship of a pet is underestimated or belittled, even though pets are often intimate companions for many elderly people. They help them fight off loneliness and solitude and continue their activity. To many elderly people, their animal friend means joy and quality of life. Listen, when I see elderly person on a cruise with their little puppy, it brings me joy. Because I know that's their companion. That's who they're traveling with, and that's who they're with at that moment. And at the moment, that's who they're spending time with. And there's nothing wrong with that. And research shows that that's gonna help that person out. And these articles, I'm going to provide you with the link. And this is today's show. I want to say that if you're a senior citizen, you're an elderly person, there are programs out there that will help you and connect you with a pet. I'm going to provide that to you, no matter where you live in the United States. There are programs out there, starting with your rescue animal shelter. Your local rescue animal shelter most likely will have programs there to connect you with a pet by helping you adopt a pet. And I'm going to prove that to you. So I wanted to get this article out the way, and I wanted to show that studies show that a senior citizen can benefit cognitively and physically from adopting and having a pet. So this article is by the National Council on Aging. Title: Cherished Companions, 3 Ways Pets Support Healthy Aging. It's a beautiful picture there. So the proof is in the numbers. According to the Human Animal Bond Research Institute, pet ownership saves the U.S. healthcare system roughly $23 billion yearly due to fewer doctor visits, less obesity, and better mental wellness. Another study found that 75% of doctors would prescribe a pet to improve a person's overall health. So now we're graduating from just not pets helping us physically in terms of our blood pressure, anxiety, eating disorder, stress, but doctors prescribe. Their prescription is a pet to those getting older and not having someone around. I just love that sentence right there. The prescription from the doctor is go get a pet, go adopt a pet. For your will help you with your obesity and better mental wellness. Unbelievable, huh? During a presentation at our Age Action Con, Jules Benson Vice President of Pet Health and Chief Veterinary Officer at Nationwide, spoke about science-backed ways pets can positively impact the health of older adults. About 20 or 30 years ago, we started to see big increase. Number one, it can improve your physical health. Obviously, if you have a dog, you have to put it on a schedule where you walk it every day, right? Maybe twice, 3 times a day, depends how physically able you are as a senior citizen. So that's going to help you out physically, right? And as you're walking, you're going to meet other senior citizens with pets, and you're going to socially interact, and it's going to bring you together. That's one way. Number two, pets improve our mental health and well-being. Pets love us unconditionally, and they're great listeners. One goofy grin is enough to put a smile on our face after a tough day. It's no wonder then that 86% of pet owners in one poll said their pets have a mostly positive effect on their mental health. Listen, no matter how down and out you are, obviously, if you need professional help, you're thinking about suicide, there is professional help out there. But I believe that having that pet next to you, that unconditional love, maybe will stop you from saying, you know what, I need to take care of this pet. Maybe I should put, suicide to a side, or just, focus more on the pet, because I want to live to see this pet live and be with me. This is the way we have to think. We have to think, and studies show that pets are shown to help people suffering from depression and anxiety, which often co-occur in older adults. The constant companionship animals offer can ease feelings of isolation. A survey from Habry and Mars Pet Care found that 85% respondents believe interaction with companion animals can reduce loneliness. And number three, pets help us stay socially connected. Like I said, there are a lot of pet forums. This week, I believe at the Javits Center, they're going to have the Meets the Breeds, a great forum for senior citizens to go. You get discount tickets. I had other earlier appointments, so I'm not going to make it this year to the Meet the Breeds, but I definitely look forward to next year. But again, back on topic, senior citizens, a great pet forum to meet other seniors, talk to other people. They're going to be displaying a lot of pets there. Excellent way. So love this article by the National Council on Aging. Now here, best companion pets for seniors. So obviously, there are certain pets that are easier to handle, easier to train, and seniors are better off with these types of breeds. However, remember that whether you are a fish person or a reptile person, that doesn't mean that those other breeds or other types of pets are not good for seniors. They're all good for seniors. It just depends how able you are as a senior. So over here, best companion pets for seniors. And with a wealth of options available, ranging from dogs and cats to birds and small mammals, our goal is to help seniors and their caregivers choose the best companion animals that align with their lifestyle, preferences, and individuals' needs. Whether seeking a loyal companion to daily walks or a soothing presence for quiet moments at home. So here we have benefits of pet ownership for seniors. Emotional benefits, obviously reduce loneliness, increase feelings of warmth and happiness. Physical and health benefits, increase opportunity for exercise, lower blood pressure, reduce stress. Cognitive benefits, enhance mental stimulation, potential improvement in symptoms of Alzheimer's and dementia, which is a big one with senior citizens. So right away, after reading this, I think pets can put medication companies out of business, right? Because it seems to me that why should I get prescribed a medication for my stress when I can just adopt a pet? Listen, common sense, huh? Types of pet to consider: dogs, pros of owning a dog, companionship, increased physical activity. The cons: physical demands, maintenance. And this is where, as a senior citizen, again, I say, depending how able you are, how mobile you are, because they have really small dogs where you can buy indoor, what you call, like, put a pamper on them, or you can buy like foolproof, waterproof, uh, leak proof, where they could pee on top. It's like a you lay it down, easy maintenance. You don't have to walk it outside. Then cats, we talked about in previous show how would they have automatic uh, 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 they have automatic cat feeders, dog feeders. They have automatic litter cleaners. So there's a lot of machinery with AI incorporated that can make your life a lot easier nowadays compared to back then. So these are things to think about, too, as a senior citizen. Depending what size dog or cat you have. Do you have birds? Soothing sounds, low physical demand with a bird, very easy. Social cons of owning a bird: social needs, depends on the bird type of species. Fish, therapeutic benefit, low maintenance. uh Small mammals, ease of care, companionship. So again, factors to consider when choosing a pet: living arrangements, physical capabilities of health issues, past experience and preferences. But however, key takeaways: pets have the potential to significantly enhance the quality of life for seniors in various ways. And especially in terms of everything I've listed, according to the studies: lowering your blood pressure, physical activity, mental, cognitive. If you're someone who's you're getting dementia or Alzheimer's disease, maybe a pet can slow it down. Studies show, again, you're in a routine, you're doing something every day, the same thing. Your mind is actively working. So, things to think about, right? As a senior citizen. Great article by Assistant Living Locators. Now let's move on. So this is Senior Pets Assistant Network. Again, part of my job is to make sure that I find resources too that connect pets. This was one of them. And as you can see here, not only do they you can volunteer, you can donate, but let me click on the SPAN secures the joyful, healthy relationship between low-income seniors and their companion animals. We serve the needs of Dallas County low-income seniors, 67 years and older, basic veterinary care and pet food. They're out of Dallas and Texas. And again, this organization connects pets with senior citizens. Let's move on to another one. This one is Pet Helpers, Adoption Centers, Seniors for Seniors, helping seniors stay young at heart. Pet Helper Seniors for Senior Adoption Program was developed to help seniors, humans, rediscover the joys of having a cat or dog in their lives. The program places senior cats and dogs 8+ years of age with senior citizens who are 60 years and older. So a great non-for-profit organization helps seniors out. Every program has different age requirements. The last one span was 67. This one is 60. So there are programs out there. Best to start with your local rescue animal shelter, and most likely they will have a program, a senior program that can connect seniors with pets. They would know. These non-for-profits been running these programs for a long time, and I'm noticing most of them, they connect older pets, which that tells you older pets are not gonna want to run around too much and are looking for a lot of love, a lot of attention in terms of hugging, talking to, and that's what seniors need, right? So this one, pet helpers. Let me see where this one is. This one is located. Welcome to Pet Health Fund. We are Steadfast Mission, and they do everything at this one. Trying to find out where they located. Our mission, providing adoption and serves community low county. Our mission is to into all adopted cats and dogs, keeping all animals unto adopted. What it means to be a no kill, no kill. So there are a lot of senior. This one's out of Charleston County Shelter, Charleston, South Carolina. So this one's out of South Carolina. Excellent. As you can see, there's going to be a local animal rescue center that's going to have a senior citizen program. Comprehensive pet care for seniors is another one. Helping seniors connect with furry pets. And not only that, this one, what I like about this one extends where they come in and they help you with your pet. So Generations Home Care recognize profound connection between seniors and their beloved pet. Understand that these companions play an essential role in their overall well-being. In our commitment to providing holistic care, we proudly provide specialized pet care assistance for seniors. So what I found interesting about this one is they have various programs, but one of them is where they go in and they actually take care of the pet, where if any maintenance, food, pet walking, they do that. So there's all types of programs out there throughout the United States for senior citizens. And I found this one interesting, that they do that for their pets. Now this one is Aging in-home solutions. Pet Connect, pet food and supplies for low-income seniors. Another non-for-profit providing food, connecting pets with senior citizens. So senior citizens shouldn't have to decide between feeding themselves and their pet. So by Connect Meals and More provides food and supplies such as bags of dry food for cats and dogs, wet food, cat litter, training pads, leashes, carriers. Another non-for-profit. This one's Central Indiana, Paris. This one's out of Indiana. As you can see, throughout the United States, every state is going to have their local animal rescue centers, a non-for-profit that's dedicated to helping out seniors and connecting seniors with pets and providing additional services, helping them feed and maintain their pets, such as this one. Last one, North Shore Animal League, Seniors for Seniors. I've displayed the North Shore Animal League of America before. A lot of programs for seniors. This one, our Seniors for Seniors program, can help bring a wonderful pet and companion into your home. Our adoption counselors help each adopter find the perfect match. Our team has specially selected wonderful animals exclusively for this program. Then our Seniors for Seniors program offers qualifying seniors with tremendous benefits to help care for their new best friend. So again, they have eligibility requirements, 60 years old. But again, and they provide not only that, but a lot of services. This not-for-profit for seniors, discounts. I've showed this non-for-profit before, and I'm going to go an extra mile today with them and just show you all the beautiful pets they have available. If you missed the show before, Pets Rule Show, 7:30 to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, as you can see, They have all types of breeds available. It's a no-kill shelter. So they have a lot of senior pets also, which they can connect with senior citizens. I love it. So if you're seeking a pet, you're a pet shop. Remember the new law in New York State they passed. If you missed a show, I have a show that aired. You can go back, track it, where they do all the marketing for you. All you have to do is call them up, speak to someone there, a counselor, and they will set you up where you display a couple of animals at your pet shop, and you don't have to do anything but display them. And it's a win-win for both North Shore Animal League of America and for the pet shop. For senior citizens, it's a win-win with the programs they have. For college students needing an emotional support animal, it's a win-win. You can adopt a pet, get it certified. Counselors are there, will help you with the process. If you go to hlcpets.com, you will also see where there's the ESA, or there's a website on there that would help you. It's a 1, 2, 3 process to get your pet emotionally certified, and it's a win-win. Few things before I go. These are the links for today. Thank you for watching the Pets Rule Show, Monday through Friday, 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'm your host, Mr. Animal Lover. You can support the Pets Rule Show by liking and subscribe. You can also visit hlcpets.com for pet deals. You want to send me an email, get in contact with me, petsrule@hlcpets.com. You can also call me 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Monday through Friday, 1-800-213-0988. There's a fee per minute. So this week we've been talking about mental health and how pets is the prescription to lower everything from high blood pressure, anxiety, stress. If you have Alzheimer's, dementia, having a pet can also help you out. Obviously, you get professional help, but studies show it can help you out. Tomorrow, we're going to recap everything we went over this week about mental health and how pets can help you out. Next week, we're going to stay tuned for next week. The topic is going to be pet traveling with your pet. How there are hacks to saving money, whether you go on a cruise, whether you go on an exotic vacation. But that's next week. Tomorrow, Friday, we're going to recap mental health and how the prescription to your mental, physical health, and cognitive, especially if you're a senior citizen or a college student going into college, how you can certify your emotional support animal and certify it and bring it to the dorms with you. There's a lot of responsibility with that, but it can be done. If you're an adult, just came back from war, PTSD is big, especially when you're out there, you're at war, you suffer. They have a lot of programs where you can adopt a pet and it can help you out. And if you're just a growing family and you want to support pets, there's always an adoption local rescue adoption center that can help you. Counselors will be ready to help you adopt a pet. There are many benefits, especially if you have children or if you don't have children. There are benefits to having pets, and tomorrow we're going to recap on that. Thank you for watching today. I'm Mr. Animal Lover, your host, and stay tuned for tomorrow's recap of mental health and how pets can benefit you physically and mentally.